Look at these fries. Golden brown. Beautiful and very tasty. I will teach you how to make this right now. What you want to do is get some yellow potatoes or whatever potatoes you have. This is just a fish I'm going to do a recipe on. I have another video for that. But what you want to do is cut up the potatoes your way. And most importantly, don't cut them too thin. You want to cut them like just a little bit thick. Not too skinny, not too thick, just like this. Nice slices. You can cut your own way, but just make sure it's not too skinny, or else when you boil them, it's going to fall apart. And this is the way that we have here. Okay, now we want to blanch them by boiling them. We're gonna boil these puppies in water and add a little bit of salt in this water, okay? So you can have a little bit of flavor. And we're gonna throw these fishes in the water, okay? And we're gonna let it boil for about maybe 8 minutes or so, or until they're a little bit not soft. You don't want them too soft. You just want them just right, okay? And after this, after you boil them, you turn off the stove and you put it aside in the sink, and we're gonna run it into cold water, okay? We want to put cold water because if you put it hot, it's gonna be to boil it. And then you put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes or 15 minutes. After the fridge, you take them out and you throw them in the fryer. I suggest you use a fryer, but if not, you can use whatever you like. But this fryer is the Tefal fryer. You can get them on the Amazon if you don't have one. I have the link below, if anything. And look at these fries. They look gorgeous. This is like a top of the line fries. It's easy to make, guys. You know, it doesn't take too much long to make them. And I bet your kids will love these fries, but I love them as well, more than the kids. And this is the fish recipe I have. I have another video for this, but today's story is these golden fries. Not the fish, but the golden fries, okay? And look how beautiful these looks. My daughter, forget about it. She loved them. My son, that guy doesn't play. And that's it. And remember, guys, it doesn't cost anything to give me a like and subscribe. So hit that like button and the subscribe button, as I will be doing more videos. And this guy's just love these fries. And so long, arrivederci, adios, hasta mañana.